Dell U4025QW Best Settings. Hey guys, in this video, we will see Dell U4025QW Best Settings. First, choose the screen size that is right for you, such as 40 inches. Next, select the screen type that is right for you, such as curved. Now choose the resolution WUHD for clarity. Then select the IPS black panel that prioritizes color accuracy and wide viewing angles. It offers 100% sRGB, 99% DCI-P3, and HDR support for enhanced color accuracy and vibrant visuals. Set the height up to 150mm, tilt -5 degrees to 21 degrees, and swivel to -30 degrees to 30 degrees for optimal ergonomic positioning. It features 1x HDMI and supports up to 5K 2K, 5120 by 2160, 120Hz FRL, HDR static metadata, and VRR, as specified in HDMI 2.1. Also, 1x DP 1.4 supports up to 5120 by 2160 120Hz HDR and DSC. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.